Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the ABLEGRID HDTV Antenna. Designed to bring you high-definition channels without the monthly bill. In this video, we'll explore its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect addition to your home entertainment setup. One of the standout features of the ABLEGRID HDTV antenna is its ability to receive full HD channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, PBC, Fox, and more. Say goodbye to those hefty cable bills and enjoy your favorite news, sitcoms, kids shows, and sports programs without any extra costs. This smart TV antenna boasts an upgraded smart switch control powerful 2023 amplifier signal booster with a built-in smart IC chip. This next-generation technology enhances signal reception within a remarkable 150-mile range. Thanks to crystal clear filter technology, you'll experience clearer pictures, minimal noise, and access to more free broadcast TV signals with enhanced gain, range, and frequency performance. The ABLEGRID Indoor HDTV Antenna offers an outstanding 150-mile range. You can conveniently place it almost anywhere in your home, whether on a window, wall, or any location that provides the best reception. Don't forget to rescan for channels if you decide to move the antenna to a different spot. The package includes an 18 ft long coaxial cable, making it easier for you to position the antenna for optimal reception. For those whose TVs are far from power sources, the Smart IC USB power adapter with built-in overvoltage protection ensures a reliable power supply. ABLEGRID stands behind their product, and their team of TV tech professionals is ready to assist you with any issues. If you encounter any problems with this HDTV antenna, they offer a full replacement or refund, giving you peace of mind. In summary, the ABLEGRID HDTV antenna is a cost-effective solution to enjoy full HD channels without the burden of monthly bills. Its impressive 150-mile range, crystal clear reception, and easy installation make it a top choice for cord cutters. If you're looking to enhance your TV experience, this antenna is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the ABLEGRID HDTV antenna. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.